Julie Juu Tv so.
Thank you, me da si bebre.
Na we hear Jumama Diaspora Insurance.
Me pacho
E de be asempa na ye obeka kire mpesa wo bo odin. Na fe Diaspora Insurance mo ne ma papa mo ye de boa enipa no. O ma ye hu.
Me da si bebre. Me pacho me did Mama Ro social media so and as a Rosemont. Na me hear Jumama Diaspora Insurance. And Diaspora Insurance, yeah, funeral cover insurance, yeah, my busiafo a omo UK, any omo impo omo Ghana, and I say foreign country. Yenji medical bia, and yet Ghana for one diaspora you cover 25 African countries. Let me cover more money now, and yeah, you can for any Ghana or na. Omo original clone na yet me cover yanji medical bia yanji blood test bia yanji test bia yet me cover emamo yes I am regulated by the FCA and a UK government so I endorse it on it enti ade kaka metimi aka fight Diaspora Insurance enti sa wo pay insurance ama wa busuafo a omo wo fie e bia na wa abro bi wo akofra bia Diaspora Insurance enya no nko na yeye yetimi say ma sorry akuofo any a group of members nyina e bia no ma kuo bi but e be ye cover mamo na asema ama asemboni bi ba na say obi ba akufri mu a saa nipa ko ne betimi akova no a ye disika kutu a ye ne mo hihye ho no e be mamo it Diaspora Insurance is a relief insurance that people should get here that massive
me pese o kan Diaspora Insurance ho asem kire ye nuanom a ye wo akwantu obi wo ho a o si o me life insurance me ko life insurance on tiase say ye wo akwantu mu yi na wo ye Diaspora Insurance na nyankopon fasa ma wo free mu fia e de ben pa na Diaspora Insurance betumi ayama o betumi de wakofie akwakomo obusuafo ama o masie o ana say e de ben pa na mwa no betumi aboa o nia woni bia no e na mpesa wo
for assembly Diaspora Insurance that be the least way and ye the church for the peace of mind is guaranteed san say e bia na unam krom hanom adwuma den bibia timisi obi anka say wo mra bateto etimisi wa abrabomu say to wa Diaspora Insurance wo hu yen na wo de ho aba be don ye ya ye betimi de body no ana say ufunu no akofie amma wakomo wabusuafo se de wa hyehyɛ ne se de woni ye kasa enti ehia wa e wo list e de ma wo aya Judy ni wo number because e bia na ye event e bi kwa na wo pentem na ye tumi ewu time mre kwa e be frɛ wo na ye frɛ wa ye ni wadi nkomo yie bibia to wo ye betumi di akɔ ehyehyɛ ye a wo ni ye beka se de ufunu a pese ye ye no no ye betumi aye ni nyina ma wo a Yensi sano da yayama go for a group of people who you can have yayama or more empty Diaspora Insurance a peace of mind is guaranteed.
E dey ba sam na obeka cha Ghana for na ye waha ye pese ye insurance because obi o ho so me per life insurance Ghana for dey wo ye o insurance kra nipa na free mu ana bibisa sikatua no kra mpo ede Nemom me ni abrofo yi me kwakoye abrofo yi die bi obroni so wuwu a ye de wotna aponko so ene efefefefefe na ye twika ne yakwakosie wa ha difference no ene say Ghana de se wo free mu fi wa ha se do beko okrom Ghana what you say abrofo no so emfa wonko me pese wo kan bibi ma Ghana fo na e be ye Diaspora Insurance hu say se wo bibi asem to wa ye betua sika bia wodi would mind this or say, wo ye insurance no car say o si etua no ye betua me pese o cheche mu ehon so Ghana for
me da say Diaspora Insurance ya na bi mo ji say ye Ghana for ye na yate unfortunately ye na yate if Zimbabwe enti aye 19 Africa country before no and na ye cover e say ye timi akwa akonya 25 countries ye cover government no I wo UK ha wode ne nsa ene ne stamp abofo amaye enti no anya Ghana na ye say Diaspora Insurance ye headquarters our Birmingham Diaspora Insurance ye wo office kakraka aye aduma ye bo aduma ye wo Birmingham enti Ghana for amamo tie nka country bebree and say about Black History event, Black History Day, because yaba Birmingham yaba Milton Keynes ha ya ni Africa for bebree and na yedi hyiamu a yaba se yɛtwe sɛ yɛ cover mo enti enya Ghana tia wuntimi ya nya ma oda bi ya ma ya ma fufuo bebree nkofo bebree edi adanse ipo Ghana community for krampo ya ma nipa bebree sɛ uti Facebook lady bi wa bi ama na ni group of people oni omo ye nyina ye ni omo ye adwuma ti Diaspora Insurance de lukuduku biala enimo eye peken cry said ye ni ubedi nkombo said ye oni aba hihye ho no eno a ne ye be ya ma wa ye sisa bibia every
me kwa my bio
that's
my Diaspora Insurance e de bi akoba me maame e wo Ghana.
Thank you. It's my ye bia mama papa wo fie because me mama je wo fie dada but me ye bia mama papa say be ya ma sumba jom ye ada bi me share doctor bi was me share montama anka me pe because this year ya ma sim papa ne me mama and after wo hu etika we no nka me ye mama na nka me mama papa e gaska putu no ni na meje me do omo ko Ghana tika mi na me fia na nya asem ketwa and am say ya me ya pa next time bia no Diaspora Insurance ya be say bibia ma we have to plan what at the best 6 months 3 months no na riding fast ama some ba you are covered
as someone can baby say na waka no kan ba baby say o say obi ni mo start here edi say ansa na asem to no mo ba boa
anti mi a che abro swap provisional days no it's up to 6 months we are under covered yen ka say after na wa ba 6 months dey guarantee say asem to me to obusua na wan ka say mo fra we are covered that you bet me dey and say bia ene wo adi hu komo no ye be ya ma pepepe said it
okay o final word e ma Ghana for ne obia o pese o ye Diaspora Insurance ena wo said dey o kan say 90 countries that means anya Ghana for nkwanti fabrofo kakra fam na ayi we for no so hu say
okay
omo nti en krom kasa no so hu Diaspora Insurance
we were having 19 African countries we were covering for Diaspora Insurance, but so glad enough we have 25 insurance companies now, countries now that we are insuring for. So if you are in any country, if you can see your flag in here, Zimbabwe, Nigeria, Cote d'Ivoire, Senegal, all these African countries are their flags, almost flags, 25 solid African countries you cover for. Peace of mind is guaranteed when it comes to Diaspora Insurance.
Yo, any chawadofwe, why are there chawadofwe?
Me chawadofwe nina social media, so especially TikTok, any Facebook, media, Instagram, media, or ma, mama, bro, and peace of mind is guaranteed. Diaspora Insurance.
From my telephone number na my website to you obi hwehwe wo sese a ehe fa na obi hu
me pa cho wo hwehwe ya na me kae no your website ni bibia e wo ha obetimi ye hu a ye betimi de QR code ama so pese wo ti Diaspora Insurance wo pese wo tie bibi bebre free mu a me number e 079 311 70382 ni sisu biem 079 311 70382 on all social media platforms. Media on my mama ro bra na me ni wundin komo and for Diaspora Insurance and that's it
yo any other for yeah better us bye tell us a bit about Diaspora Insurance. Mention your name and tell us about.
My name is Michael Onyechi. I'm from Diaspora. My name is Michael Onyechi. I'm from Diaspora Insurance. Diaspora Insurance is an insurance for Africans and diaspora. It's a guaranteed peace of mind policy. One of the benefits of Diaspora Insurance are guarantee acceptance. 2, immediate cash payout. 3 is a worldwide coverage. 4, there's flexibility in terms of cash cover. And as you can see, Diaspora Insurance, once you have Diaspora Insurance, you have that essential peace of mind. And you can cover your loved ones back home while you're here abroad. So it's a policy I would recommend for every African in diaspora to have. We cover 25 African countries, as you can see here, 25 African countries. So it's a policy that is essential and important for every African diaspora to have. Thank you.
Okay. So if we want you to choose insurance, you choose diaspora, yeah?
But yes, if you want to choose a funeral cash plan policy, go for Diaspora Insurance, which gives you a peace of mind. And within 24 hours payout, once we have the proof of death, it's a 24 hours payout.
Okay. All right.
Thank you so much.
Okay. So say hello to your friends, family and friends.
If you guys didn't come here today, I want to say you've missed out today. The Black History Month has been a very fantastic event, and I would like to give a shout out to every family or friend of mine out there, and also reminding them that having a diaspora insurance is essential because it is a policy that does not decline a direct debit. So I will ask you a question, my family and friends, and well wishes. Which is more important for you to pay out in terms of if anything happens? The insurance or your family? And I bet the answer is going to be insurance. So get insured and be protected to have that peace of mind and not leave that burden for your loved ones. So a shout out to every single one of you. Thank you very much. And remember, Diaspora Insurance is the policy to have. Thank you.
Okay. All right. Bye-bye.
Bye.